Varalakshmi Vratam is coming and I've been getting so many questions about it. So let me quickly answer the most common ones. When exactly is Varalakshmi Vratam this year? Is it on August 21st or 28th? For South Indian families, Varalakshmi Vratam is on Friday, August 21st this year. What time should we perform the puja? Is there a specific muhurtam? For a simple home puja, perform it in the morning after sunrise. You do not have to wait for one exact universal clock time. What if I cannot perform it on August 21st? Can I do it on another Friday? Yes, you can perform the Vratam on another Friday during Shravana Masam. Do I have to fast for Varalakshmi Vratam? No. You can have fruits or milk and eat after completing the puja. Never force a fast if your health does not permit it. Can unmarried women perform Varalakshmi Vratam? Yes, unmarried women can worship Varalakshmi and perform the Vratam. Can men perform Varalakshmi Vratam? Yes, men can also worship Varalakshmi and perform the Vratam. It is simply more commonly observed by women. Can widows perform Varalakshmi Vratam? Yes, widows can worship Lakshmi and observe the Vratam. What if I get my period on Varalakshmi Vratam day? Traditionally, skip the physical puja and perform the Vratam on another Friday in Shravana Masam. Do I have to keep a kalasham or can I perform the puja with just Lakshmi's photo? A kalasham is a traditional method, but it is not compulsory. You can perform the puja with a framed photo of Goddess Lakshmi. Do I have to invite married women and give haldi kumkum? No, you do not need to organize a gathering for your vratam to be complete. How long should I keep the thoram on my wrist? Keep it on after the puja and let it remain until it loosens or comes off naturally. You do not have to remove it immediately. What should I do with the kalasham and coconut the next day? Light a deepam, thank Varalakshmi and remove the setup. Pour the kalasham water into tulsi or another clean plant and use the coconut and rice as prasad or in cooking. And do I have to buy gold or silver for Varalakshmi Vratam? Absolutely not. There is no requirement to buy jewelry for Varalakshmi Vratam. Please do not turn the Vratam into a competition or a display of wealth. If you know someone performing Varalakshmi Vratam this year, send them this video. It might answer a question they were afraid to ask.